Hi friends!
Hi friends!
Welcome to
Meet Aanya!
and I am Aanya.
I'm Aanya!
She is my sister Adira, and today we are going to unbox Thomas and Friends motorized railway set, and it has over the 35 pieces. Do you like it, Adu?
Yeah!
Thomas drops and crashes through the gates. So I'm so excited. Are you?
Yes!
So let's open it. So here we have two pieces up here. So we will unbox it later on. So first of all, let us open the tapes. Yes. Now let me take out its pieces. So here we go. Here are some tracks and some bridges. So it has a gate too. And here we have some more tracks. I think so it's a tower type something. I think so, right?
Yes!
Okay. Some tracks.
Baby!
Some more. And it has some guidelines in it, and I think so some stickers, and these are some material, I don't know, and now we have some more tracks. Now let's bring out this. So in the box I have so let's open it. My Thomas the Train pieces, and let's join them. So first, yeah, let's open this much of stuff and then we will join. So Aanya, where's the scissors?
Baby! G!
Oh, thank you. Can you help me to open this much?
Yes!
Okay, let's open it.
दीदी अब मैं खट्टा करूंगी और आप मूव करना, ठीक है?
Okay. It has fallen down. No. See how much shark it has. Come. See. Whoa. There are lots of tracks here. So let's join it and then we will meet. Okay? So we made half track and now let's make full track together. So Adira, now we have to join S5, right?
Yes!
Okay. So here we have S5. It's the name of the track, and now we'll join it. And now C5. So here we have C5, C, and now we will join this too. Now another C5 we have to join. So here we have another C5. So now we have to join this. So I think it's a kind of thing, belt type or something. So let me fill it again. So, Adina, where is the stickers? Now it's time for stickers. Yeah, you will also help me. And here in this instruction map, we have a place where we have to stick the stickers, right? So, Adira, this is the steel wall sticker. We have to place it. Yeah. Come. Now. Yes. हाँ जी. ये आपको यहाँ पे रखना है. So now let's play, and we have also attached our stickers on it. So let's play with Thomas. So we have attached a battery in this Thomas, and so now let's play with Thomas. What are we waiting for? Wow, he is going. Wait, let me shut this door. Now. Wow! Wow, what a jump! Wow! And now he will stop. Right, Adu?
Yes.
Hit it one more time. Wow! He's going up. Yeah, oh, I forgot to close it. Now you jump. Wow. Yeah, it's very awesome. So, Adu, isn't it cool? It's very cool toy. So if you like this video, so please like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe our channel. Sweet Aanya. And don't forget to hit the notification